Hello, my name is Carol Hammer. I'm from Teachers College, Columbia University, and this is a follow-up to a professional development program that we recently did in Ghana. And this is my colleague, Belinda Bukhari.
Hello, I'm Belinda Bukhari, in charge of education of learners with intellectual and developmental disabilities at the Special Education Division, Ghana Education Service, Headquarters, Accra. This final video looks at the letter knowledge and sounds, specifically teaching the alphabets and letter names and sounds.
Ready? So everyone do it with me. Let's say A, B, C, D, E. Let's do it again. A, B, C, D, E. Great. And let me see, who might be able to do the alphabet for me? Abigail? Can you do it with me?
Abigail, wait to me, I can't ABC.